Basti Chikitsa in animal. Basti Karma is one of the modalities among the five bio-cleansing detoxifying procedure, Panchkarma procedure, Samshodhan Chikitsa. Some drugs are observed by passive diffusion and some by active transport. Bioavailability of the medicine will be higher when given as Basti. Use कर सकते हैं जैसे elephant, camel, horse and cow में Basti नेत्रा 1 RSV, camel 18 अंगुर and horse and cow 16 अंगुर. Ayurvedic medicine has been given to animals around the world, especially in rural areas for to heart. These remedies used for common problems in animals such as wound infection or gastritis problems, often originated from plants readily available in the area. Material and method. Analyzing some of Ayurveda's primary contribution to our understanding of animal research in several Ayurvedic fields is the aim of this method. Ayurveda literature including the Shusra Samhita, Dalha commentary and Chitrapani commentary are used as research tools in animal studies. This research paper highlight the tremendous potential of Ayurvedic medicine in veterinary research and practices. The core of principles of Ayurvedic medicine can be applied to animal health, creating an evidence-based approach to veterinary care that is ecologically conscious and culturally relevant. In short, with an extensive history of animal care, the ancient Ayurvedic system of medicine provides an established approach that can be modified to meet the need of current veterinary care. The use of three-dose theory, Drapgun Science, the medical center on animal provides integrated approach. One has a global effort to achieve the sustainable development goals. Conclusion: Ayurvedic medicine has a lot of potential in the field of veterinary medicine, but it has not been completely utilized, and particularly in India, other places with the tradition of plant-based therapy. According to an examination of few chosen work of literature, numerous traditional Ayurvedic writings such as Salihotra Samhita, including comprehensive animal health formulation and treatment techniques, many of which are still used in rural communities today. Scientific support of these age-old methods has grown in recent years. For instance, a number of in vitro and in vivo investigations have shown that medicinal plants have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-stimulating qualities, such as guruji, ashwagandha, turmeric, and neem, when used to treat common animal illness, including mastitis, dyspepsia, and parasitic infection. The integration of Ayurveda into veterinary medicine is no longer just a matter of cultural revival, it's a vital path towards sustainable, ethical, and effective animal health care, inspired by time-honored classics such as Salihotra Samhita, validated by contemporary ethno-veterinary practices and supported by emerging scientific evidence. Ayurvedic veterinary medicine offers a biocompatible alternative to synthetic drugs. Its principles, which are rooted in the universal law of three doses, dhatu and source, are not limited to the human body but are also applicable to animal